And then opening it up, why do they gotta freaking tape everything down? I swear. This makes my life so much harder. Hello everyone! So today is my April Boxycharm unboxing. I got this a couple days in the mail. I caught this a couple days ago in the mail. I really wanted to sit down and unbox it for you guys while my baby is asleep. So I'm crossing my fingers that my 1-year-old doesn't wake up while I'm filming this. Before we get started though, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Although this video is going up on a Thursday because yesterday was crazy. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you can be notified for all my future videos. If you want to see what I got in my April Boxycharm box, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you aren't familiar with Boxycharm, it's a $21 a month beauty subscription service. They send you hair care, makeup, skincare, all of that fun stuff that you can think of in the beauty realm. It tends to be more makeup heavy, so if you're more interested in makeup items, this is definitely the box that I would get. I would say that this is one of my absolute favorite boxes. I've tried a lot of boxes in the past. I'll link my unboxings down below if you want to see. This is the one that I have kept getting. This is one I haven't canceled and I really enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. So opening it on up, this is the theme for the month. It's called Peace, Love, and Boxy. It's cute with some cactuses on the front. I actually really like that. That's really cute. So it gives you all the items and the prices listed on the back. So I'm just gonna set that right there and let's get into it. So this is what we're getting this month. I'm just gonna pull this first thing that I'm seeing. This is the Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. I've never heard of this brand before, but it does retail for $21. It says it'll deliver an intense holographic shine to your lips. It works well alone or on top of your favorite lippy, giving it a multi-dimensional argan oil infused shine. So I'm not super into holographic lips. That's just not my jam. And I feel like for the amount of makeup that I have, obviously you can see that whole thing right there is full of lip products. That's not even all of them. So I don't like opening things that I'm not gonna use. I don't like swatching things that I know I'm not gonna use. I can already see like the holographic inside of it. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but it does look holographic. I can see blue and pink and green sparkles throughout all of it, and I just feel like it probably isn't going to be for me. So I am gonna throw it in a giveaway. I'm not gonna open it. It's all sealed up. I don't want to open things that I'm not gonna use. I just feel like that's a waste. Obviously I could pass them on to family and friends, but throwing them in giveaways for you guys, you know, feel like that's a pretty good deal too. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out what is on top. This is a Luxie brush set. Luxie brush set. It's the Summer Days brush set. So it comes with a 209 large shader, 245 small shader, and 512 small contouring. These actually look really pretty. These are actually really cute. And I do like shader brushes, so that's pretty perfect. This brush, I don't know what I would do with. I guess packing on eyeshadow with it would be good. And then this one obviously for contouring. It could be nice, or even maybe like highlight if you wanted like a bigger highlight. Maybe. So the Luxie set retails for $28. What I will say is that we get Luxie in like every single month, every single box, I feel like. And I feel like Luxie is in a lot of other subscription services too. Don't get me wrong, I really like Luxie brushes, but after getting them over and over and over again, you kind of want to see something else. So it's just my personal take on it. I do like Luxie. I feel like they're really good quality. I have a ton of them over the years of subscription boxes sending them to me. I literally have never purchased Luxie brushes. I've just always gotten them in my subscription boxes, and I probably have like a huge handful of their brushes. So they're pretty. I like the, you know, handles. I think they're cute and I will use them. So it's not bad. It's not something super mind-blowing since I've seen this a billion times, but there you go. Luxie brushes. There you go. The next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Bodyography Bali bronze eye pencil. So I think it's just like an eyeliner. and it does just look like a bronzy eyeliner. And this does retail for $14. Again, what I will say is that I don't see myself using this. That's another thing that I feel like subscription boxes send a crap ton of is eyeliners. At least it's not a black eyeliner. That's a plus, right? Because we get tons of black eyeliners, but bronze, it's nice. I feel like I might already have something like this in my collection. Honestly, I don't use a ton of eyeliner. I tend to just use my eyeshadow as eyeliner, honestly. And when I do use eyeliner, I go in with the liquid. So these just like aren't something that I reach for a ton. I just don't see myself using it. And with that being said, I'm gonna throw it in a giveaway so somebody else can use it. The next thing I'm gonna pull out, so this is one thing that I feel like I'm pretty excited for. I'm hoping that I like the color. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and it does retail for $27. Mine is in the shade Purple Dream. So that's the one thing I was a little nervous for, is that it's purple and I don't wear a lot of purple highlight. That being said, I don't think I have any purple highlight. So it might be nice to have the option to have it. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just a loose highlight in there. I can't tell if there's a sticker on there. I think that there is. How do I get the sticker off? Okay, there's like a sticker in there where all the little holes are. I don't know how to get it off. Okay, I need tweezers. Aha! I got it, but I spilled everywhere. Well, I'm gonna try to swatch it on the back of my hand, and then I'll try to apply it to my face and see how it looks. It looks like it has some like chunky glitters in it. So that's what it looks like. I don't know how well you guys can even see that on camera. It honestly doesn't look like it's picking up at all. I'll try applying a little bit of it and see what it looks like. I'm just gonna take this little Real Techniques brush. Well, it definitely gives like a purple shift to your face. It's not like a super intense purple, but I mean, you do still have that purpley undertone of it. I don't know. I don't know how I like it or not. I'm just not like super into purple highlights. Like I said, it's not super purple, but you can still kind of see that purple undertone of it, which isn't bad. I may keep it just to give myself a little bit of variety. If not, I may pass it along to somebody else who might use it, but this one, I feel like I probably would have liked the other shade better, although I don't know if the other shade would have been too dark for my skin tone because I am so fair. So that may be why they sent me the purple one, but who knows? Okay, and the last thing in my box, this is the Pure Festival palette, and it retails for $36. So this is another thing that I feel like Boxycharm does a lot, is they do Pure products a lot too, which isn't bad. They do tend to use their eyeshadow palettes a lot. What is this? Oh, you get a little Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. This honestly just feels like there's air in here with like a tiny bit of product at the bottom. There you go. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is really pretty. I love the sunglasses on the front. It's so like summery time fun goodness. So I do like that. And then opening it up, why do they gotta freaking tape everything down? I swear. This makes my life so much harder than it needs to be. This is what the inside looks like. Well, I will say this does look like a really pretty palette, and it does have what looks like pressed glitters right there that do look really pretty. Ultimately, I just don't see myself using this, and I know that's probably crazy, but with the amount of eyeshadow palettes that I have, it's already hard for me to get to every single one, let alone one that I feel like I'm probably not going to use a whole lot. I feel like this is one that's just going to sit in my collection. I don't wear like super hot pinks. I don't wear dark purples. This is about as crazy and bold as I get with my makeup. I'm a very neutral kind of gal when it comes to eye makeup. Of course, I like playing around and things like that, but in my everyday life, I just don't reach for this kind of stuff. And I don't want to keep a palette that I'm just going to use for a couple videos and then not use or touch ever again. So I feel like I will either put this into a giveaway for you guys or I'll pass it along to somebody else. Like I said, it is really pretty. I want to swatch it, but then I wouldn't be able to give away. So I'm not gonna touch it. This just isn't a mind-blowing palette. I feel like I have these shades in other things. So for me personally, while the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, it's just not my cup of tea. It's just not something that I feel like I'm gonna reach for a whole lot. So I will be throwing this in a giveaway, like I said, or passing it along to somebody else. All right, and then just quickly adding up everything that I got to see what the total value of my box was. So this month's box retailed for $126, which I will say is pretty good considering I only paid $21 for it. I feel like I say that in every video, but you do get a pretty good value for what you paid. Personally, I feel like this month was a bit of a bust just because I'll use the brushes and I may use the highlight, but that's still up in the air and I might pass it along. So really, I paid $21 for, you know, $28 brushes is basically how it's feeling at this point because I'm not going to use anything else in this box. I will say not every month is going to be absolutely mind-blowing and you're gonna love every single product you get. There are months that I've loved. My last month's Boxy Luxe box was so good, but this month I just feel like was a bit of a dud. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and did you get the same products as me? I know they can do a lot of variety sometimes, so just let me know down below what you guys thought of the box, what you guys got in your Boxycharms. If you've made it this far into the video, I'm doing a little surprise giveaway. So I recently signed up through Amazon for the Allure beauty box. So I received 2 boxes for last month, and obviously I don't need double the products. So I have all the products that I got from last month. If you want to see what everything is, I'll leave the unboxing down below. They're literally all the exact same products. I'll probably send you with a different bag because again, this one broke too. So I'll send you with a bag that's not broken. So yeah, if you guys want to enter to win this Allure beauty box, go ahead and look in the description box below. Leave me a comment on how I can get in touch with you and leave me your favorite ice cream. Yes. Let me know what your favorite ice cream is in the comments down below, along with the way to get in contact with you. Look for the description box and link to enter the giveaway, and you can be entered to win. So all details will be down in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.